What would be your dream job?
My dream job would be to work on my own programming company. For now, I'm working in a local company as a programmer.
What do you think? It's difficult to find job for young people or just graduate specialists in Lithuania?
I didn't have difficulty to find myself a job. I started after graduating my studies, but I know that for many people with higher education, it's difficult to find a job.
What is your ambitions in future?
I think I want to increase my skills and get more work experience. And as I said, I want to start my own programming company.
Do you see your future in Lithuania?
Lithuania is a good place to start programming services. For many companies, there is needed programmers and programmer services. So, and Lithuania has good one of the fastest internet in the world. But on the other hand, in other Europe country, for programmers are paid more.
Would you be interested in qualified jobs opportunities in neighboring countries' border regions?
Programmers are very flexible and mobile. Programmers could work from home or any other place where there is good internet connection and power supply. If programmer is needed in another country, it could easily travel there, especially when the borders in Europe is opened. If a project is good and well paid, programmer could stay for a longer term.